Alright, so first lifter we're going to fish out is cylinder 1 intake. Maybe. Come on. It's hard to film this. Ooh, there we go. Alright, cylinder 1 intake looks pretty good. So that will go in its home. Alright. Cylinder 1 exhaust. Come on, baby. We've played this game before. Cylinder 1 exhaust. That looks pretty good. Come on, baby, focus. There we go. All right, let's go cylinder 2 intake. Going fishing. Cylinder 2 intake. Yeah, let me wipe it off. That looks pretty damn good. Well, first 3 look acceptable. Cylinder 2 exhaust. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Going fishing. Come on. This is what happens when I'm the last one here because everybody else goes home early. I can't film and get it done. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Cylinder 2 exhaust. It's got a little thing on the edge. Nothing I would be over concerned with. But so far, so good. Cylinder 3 intake has just a little itty bitty bit. Nope, it's good. After I wiped it, it's good. Had a little bit of pitting, but it's okay. I thought it was pitting, but all right. Cylinder 3 intake done. Cylinder 3 exhaust. Maybe. Come on out. Cylinder 3 exhaust. Dry you off up here. That looks pretty good. Cylinder 4 intake. Come on over, baby. Oh, wow. Ooh, yeah. Let me wipe it. Looks pretty good. I don't see anything too abnormal here. Just usual wear in the center where it spins. All right, so cylinder 4 exhaust. This is the one that was rusty crusty on top, which freaks me out. It's got some gunk on it, but other than that, it seems pretty good too. Okay, gonna cut and go do the other side in a moment.